In today's video, I go over how to get a supporter creator code for Fortnite. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and hit that subscribe button, and once you've done that, please go and leave a like, I really do appreciate it. So within this tutorial, I'm going over the full process of being able to get a supporter creator code and apply for one, and it's a really useful tutorial and it can allow you to monetize your content. So any further ado, let's go and jump straight into this tutorial. Before we get any further, I just want to cover a few key points about the creator code program. Now this is the new version known as the 2.0 version, and there's a few notes to actually make. So basically, before we actually go and do anything with getting a creator code, I want to quickly note that when you first apply, and if you do get approved, your creator code is going to be your Epic Games display name. Now do not worry, if you don't want it to be this, you can request a change of your display name on Epic Games. However, you can go and change your creator code once every 12 months, okay? Just put that out there, and you have to contact support for that. And you're probably also wondering how much you're actually going to earn if you do get approved. Well, you're going to be getting 5% of the value of in-game purchases made when people use your code. Additionally, you're going to have at least 1,000 followers on one of the social platforms, including YouTube, Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or VK. There are a few other points as well, and I'll be going over those later in the video, so keep watching to make sure you fully understand everything you need to know. So as you can see, I'm now on Google, and let's go and jump straight into this. So simply go to any search browser and go to a search engine, and then all you want to do is simply search for Epic Games, just like so, and then come to epicgames.com, and then we can go and jump into this. Now the first thing you want to do is go and either sign into your Epic Games account or go and create one if you don't have one already, but I'm pretty sure you're probably going to have an account if you've heard of this program, but if you don't, then go and simply go and click sign in, and then you can come down here and click sign up, and then you can go and make an account. It's a really easy process, just like a standard account creation. However, I'm going to go and sign in by clicking sign in with Epic Games, and then I'm going to go and click on log in now. So I'll click there and it's going to sign me in. It'll take a minute or two, and then we can go and continue with this tutorial. As you can see, I've now signed in. I've got TutorialTucker up here. So once you've got an account ready, all you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom to here in the footer, and you want to come to under resources, supporter creator. And just because you know where it is, do keep watching, it's really key. I go over a ton of key points. So click there, and as you can see, you've got a few options here. Now just make sure you do go through this whole FAQ, as it's really useful, and it goes over like the key points you're going to need to know about the supporter creator program. So as you can see, I mentioned a few of these in the intro to this video about how is the creator code made, creators earning money, and who is eligible to participate, and a few other really key points. So make sure you go through all of this, and it's really important because otherwise you can risk being removed from the program or just not even being accepted in the first place. So once you go through the whole FAQ, all you then want to do is go and click apply now. And as you can see, there are a few things you need to do. So the first thing you need to do is actually go and enable two-factor authentication, which basically is protection for your account. So I'm going to go and quickly do this, and then we'll continue the tutorial. So I've now done that, and I'm now on the next stage. So as you can see, we've now got on this main application form, and this is literally how we go and get into this. So all you need to do is simply go and read through this and make sure you just understand it all basically. I'm 18, so I'm fine for this. And then you need to actually go and connect your social channels, which have the at least minimum requirement of 1,000 followers. You're probably wondering, it's really hard to get 1,000 followers. Well, honestly, you can grow Instagram accounts fairly easily based around a certain genre on Instagram. But anyways, there's still a ton of other options. If you don't have 1,000 followers, say on YouTube, you can have Twitch, Facebook, there are so many. And then all you need to do is go and click connect. So I could go and paste my URL in here, and then I can go and click connect. And then as you can see, you need to go over your language and region, so fill this in here. So I'd be English, United Kingdom, region, I put Cambridge. But yeah, that's the main things. Make sure you go and read through the creator agreement and their content guidelines. And here is the disclaimer. As you can see, make sure you go through all of this, but the key thing is my creator code is going to be TutorialTucker because that is what my current Epic Games display name is. Like I said before, creator code is going to be your display name, so if you want that to be different, then you need to change it, and then your creator code is going to be different. But like I said before, you can change it once every 12 months. But I did cover that earlier, so hopefully you know what I mean. But yeah, that's literally it. You go through all of this information, fill it all in, Then scroll right down and all you want to do is click submit, and then it's going to apply you to the program and you're going to get reviewed, and if you get accepted you'll be getting an email, and it's pretty easy, and then you can start making a little side income from promoting your creator code. But there are loads of key guidelines you need to make sure you follow, and that's covered in the creator agreement and the content guidelines. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, go down below and hit that subscribe button and leave a like as well, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.